Hello friends, welcome to a new video tutorial. Today, we will learn how to save TikTok videos without the watermark. We have the option to save a video in our Android gallery, but the problem is that it saves the video with the watermark. To save the video without the watermark, we need to open the TikTok app, tap on the share arrow, and then tap on the blue button that says Copy Link. Then, we need to open our browser and type in the page that I will detail in the description of this video. We simply paste the link in the text field and tap on the blue button. It will show us 4 options to save the video, where the first 2 have no watermark and the other 2 have a watermark. We obviously tap on the first or second option, and when we open the video, we will notice that the watermark is no longer present in the video. So, this is how we can save TikTok videos without the watermark. I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. My name is Sebastian from Balmatech. See you in the next video.